Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Betseba Irag and I'm 42 years old. I am a single parent. I have one kid and he is a 19 years old boy. I have working experience in Hong Kong for 10 years. I work for my one employer for 8 years. I taking care of two kids, both are boys, 6 years old and 8 years old. I do cooking, I do cleaning, and I go marketing, but my priority is I taking care of the two kids. My second employer, I taking care of one kid. She's a 10 years old girl. I bring in the school, I do marketing, I go cooking and tidy up the house, but my priority is taking care of the kids because mom and sir is every day going to work. And that's it. Have a nice day. Thank you.